The
Denive
Sagrada
natin.
Hard Rock
Galing doon sa downtown,
Cafe.
papunta dito.
Guys, gando. We are in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Bar dito, mga
Wow.
may mga tubig.
Yamanin with the lake.
Mahal ka talaga.
Diba? Grabe kayo guys. Oh,
Meron sila tubig.
amazing. Amazing. Beautiful houses. Try lang. Ganyan gang. Hugaw kasi.
Anong balay?
We are in Florida. I know. How can I not leave? Wow. Tadam, 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 tadam. Take off na guys.
Palagpakan. Lipa din dito, ano?
Yes.
Lipa din dito. May mga ganun pa.
Just like in just like in Boracay.
Di sa Boracay kasi ganito. Sa
Boracay
ganito
kasi parang
short runway.
short
Pag
runway.
nagland yun, okay siya.
Pag okay.
Palagpakan. Minsan kasi may lumampas. Hindi, iba na ngayon. Maganda ng airport sa Boracay. Dating sa Chicago, next time palagpakan dito na.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, everyone.
May alam sila na hindi natin alam.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items have shifted during flight.
Fort
For those
Lauderdale.
guests who may require special assistance, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the end of the deplaning process and to allow us to best assist you. We invite you to visit Spirit.com/Spirit to sign up and learn more about our new free Spirit loyalty program. You can start earning with today's flight. Thanks again for choosing Spirit Airlines. We would love to have you on board and we hope to welcome you back again soon. Thank you.
Kung kuminta, magpalakpakan. Airport. Yawa.
You know what, Labi? Nung nag-rise ako ay sa likod sa kuti akong daan.
Aron.
Hapon.
Aron. Ang ginas ko.
Super.
Ulang ka ko. Pero JetBlue. Marami palang JetBlue dito.
Sumakay na tayo dyan, di ba?
Oh, mura din yung JetBlue. Ito at sasakyan natin, di ba? Punta ng Miami.
Oo. Hindi papunta ata nag-frontier tayo. Mas pabalik dyan.
JetBlue.
This is yours lang ga.
Pilit.
That's okay, I think.
Yan na ng aeroplano kami.
Right.
Dito pala yun sa JetBlue. JetBlue tsaka Spirit.
Wow, the sun is out. Amazing, yeah, wow. Di kayo mo kurog.
Sa Musulaw.
Sun is out, sun is out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Taking off at Fort Lauderdale. Kasi tingnan din Lauderdale. In Florida. Gusto dyan istoryahan ka mo nalang istorya eh. Ay namin yung hago-hago Sun again. Yay!
Itong kuan. Una pa.
Yay! Star Hotel.
Universal City, Florida. Kami Universal
But
City.
is it like Miami or no?
Miami is another city. Ganda bang Florida? There's a lot of
Wala na kita Philippines kayo nito yung
ayun lang. Ikaw na. Airplane mode.
We're here,
Oh,
safe
ni-update
and
pa galing.
sound. Thank you, Lord, for the safe trip from Chicago to Fort Lauderdale.
Palakpak na. Ah. Huli pala tayo. Balita.
The sun is so
7 minutes.
beautiful. See that? Yeah, beautiful. It's okay, people are not out
Hindi
yet.
kay kita may muna. Pagawas ka na sa laro.
Nung hisa din, Kat, gusto mong amihi muna.
Sa